Just imagine, JavaScript is everywhere. Hi, let's talk today about the JavaScript standard, CSS keyframes and user interface. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. Let's start with the article The JavaScript Standard at Ponyfoo. Nicolas Bevacqua rants about a brief history of JavaScript standards, browser support and complementary tooling, and proposes to take a look at the future of JavaScript. In case you're keen on JavaScript latest trends, probably you'll find the JavaScript Rising Stars worth reading. It's a complete overview of the current state of the JavaScript landscape by the numbers. You'll figure out which projects got traction in 2016 by comparing the numbers of stars added on Github over the last 12 months. If you're a fan of 3D in a browser, then you should read the first part in a series of Three.js 101. In this article, you'll learn not only about scene and camera, geometry and material, but also about animation and debugging the code. Three.js lets us work with 3D graphics on the browser, using WebGL in a very simple way. CSS is amazing, and Anatol has proved it one more time. In her post using just CSS keyframes animation, she coded a pure CSS random rainbow particle explosion. Just in 30 lines of CSS, you can do the same. Often I refer to performance in the front-end development. I think it's a big deal. Understanding the critical rendering path by Ire Adrianakun is one of the articles on this subject. When a browser receives the HTML response for a page from the server, there are a lot of steps to be taken before pixels are drawn on the screen. Ire gives an overview so that we can start thinking about how to make those steps shorter. Let's talk a little bit about the user interface. I draw your attention to the article How to Use Colors in UI Design by Wojciech Zielinski on Prototyper blog. Here you can get familiarized with the 60-30-10 rule being applicable to your design. Color is a tricky concept to master, especially in the digital era. Therefore, the author points out several tools that can be of use. Another interesting article on this topic is Building Apps for Kids by Tanya Unger on InVision App blog. I found this post extremely useful. All my professional life I developed the applications for adult users, but I believe it's very important to keep in mind all age group of the users. These principles could be considered for your next application. Here is one more pick, Enki.com. There you can find a mobile application for our daily workout. You train your mind by flexing our developers' brain muscles. Every day you're offered new challenges to level up your programming skills and sharpen your knowledge. I like this idea. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. This is all for this week. Thanks for watching and stay curious.